Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Pinterest account public. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log in into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen you can see options like home, search, create, inbox and saved. Go to saved. Now on your screen, at the top left corner, you have to tap on your profile picture, then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can find profile visibility right between account management and home feed tuner. Under profile visibility, you can see options like private profile and search privacy. All you have to do is toggle off that option right beside private profile option, and your Pinterest profile will finally be public profile. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn your Pinterest profile into public. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.